In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Asana form. If you use Asana to collect requests or intake information, keeping your form clear and up to date is essential. I'll walk you through getting into the editor and making thoughtful changes so your team gets exactly the details they need with minimal back and forth. Start by opening the project that already contains your form. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see the project's task list, board, or timeline view. In the top right corner of the project, click the Customize button. This opens a panel where you can tailor how the project works. If you don't immediately see what you need, that's okay. Just scroll within the panel until you reach the Forms section. Here you'll find any forms tied to this project, locate the specific form you want to adjust, then click the pencil icon next to it to open the form editor. Once the editor is open, you can make precise changes to the questions, click on any existing question to update the wording, add helpful context in the description, or turn the required switch on or off. Clear, action-oriented labels tend to work best, and short descriptions can prevent confusion by telling people exactly what to provide. Use the required toggle thoughtfully, reserve it for details that truly block work if they're missing. Fewer mandatory fields usually means faster, more accurate submissions. If you need to collect new pieces of information, add fields from the left-hand sidebar. You can drag and drop them directly into the form where they make the most sense. Short text is great for quick inputs like a title or a brief identifier. Drop-down is ideal when you want standardized answers you can filter and report on later, like priority or category. Date helps you capture time-sensitive details such as a due date or event day. Placing these fields in a logical order, high level first, specifics after, keeps the experience smooth for your submitters. As you edit, keep an eye on clarity and consistency. Match the language your team already uses in tasks and avoid internal jargon that external stakeholders may not understand. Trim any duplicate questions and prefer drop-downs over free text when you'll need clean data for sorting and reporting. Your updates will apply to the same form link, so anyone using it will see the improved version right away. And that's it. You've accessed the form editor, refined your questions, and added the right fields to capture what matters. Keep iterating as your process evolves, and your Asana form will continue to deliver high-quality inputs for your team